everyone, so in today's video I am going to be talking about the importance of using right baking tools and cake decoration tools, specifically using serrated knife for torting your cakes. A lot of people may not realize it, but using the right baking tools can create a whole of a lot of difference in the outcome of your baked products. So let us dive deep into understanding why serrated knife is extremely important when you are decorating your cake and how it can help you achieve the best frosted finished products every single time for your home bakery business. So let's get started. First, let us define what torting is. Torting is the process of cutting a cake into even layers so that you can add filling in between each layer. This is a crucial step in making cakes because it allows you to add additional flavors and textures to your cakes, resulting in a more delicious and impressive final product. Now, why is serrated knife important for torting cakes? Well, a serrated knife has a small jagged teeth that grip the cake surface and allow for a more precise cut. This means that when you are torting a cake, a serrated knife will give you cleaner or more even layers, which will result in more professional looking finished product. Using a serrated knife also helps prevent the cake from crumbling or tearing while you are torting it. The teeth of the knife grip the cake, making it easier to cut through the layers without causing damage. This will ultimately save you time and frustration as well as help you avoid wasting ingredients due to uneven cuts. Lastly, a serrated knife is also versatile and can be used for a variety of other tasks in the kitchen, such as slicing bread or cutting through the dense fruits and vegetables. When it comes to baking and decorating cakes, it is important to have the right tools for the job. While you may be tempted to use a kitchen knife for torting cakes, this is not correct approach if you want to have a profitable home bakery business and get consistent cake orders. Using a serrated knife to cut the cakes into perfect layers is essential to achieve the perfect layers needed for a beautifully finished product. The serrated blades allows you to cut through the cake smoothly without crushing or damaging the layers, which can affect the texture and the presentation of the final product. By investing in a high quality serrated knife and using it correctly, you can ensure that your cakes have consistently even layers and a professional finish as well. This will not only make your cakes more visually appealing, but it will also improve the texture and the taste, which is essential for satisfied customers and repeat home bakery business orders. So, if you are serious about running a successful home bakery business and want to produce beautiful, high quality cakes every time, make sure to invest in a good serrated knife and use it correctly when torting your cakes. Conclusion, using the right baking tools and cake decoration tools like serrated knife is extremely important for anybody who wants to create beautiful looking and professional looking cakes for their home bakery business. So, if you do not have serrated knife yet as part of your baking tool, I highly recommend you invest in one. If you have any questions or comments related to that, please put them below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have loved this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such cake decoration tips and tricks.